Welcome, in front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 8 and today I'll show you how you can change animation on the home screen. I'm talking about this animation. You have to click and hold home screen, move to the edit home screen and find scroll effects. Here we get a couple of them. There we get the windmill for upward and downward. There's the fan and also a coordination, flip, cube, outside and inside, and random. I'm going to get the cube inside. So if you want to apply this one, just click on the home button and as you can see, it changed. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.